We've all been there, right? Sitting through a generic, one-size-fits-all corporate training session that just completely misses the mark. Well, today, we're digging into a report that lays out a much smarter way to think about AI security training by focusing on who actually needs to know what.
Okay, before we dive in, it's super important to get the context here. What we're looking at today is just the first slice of a much bigger pie. It's part one of a five-part summary of a huge 20-chapter report by Virtualization Options LLC. So think of this as the foundation, the starting point for building a really effective program. And of course, just a heads up, this is a brief overview and it comes with no warranty.
All right, so here's our game plan. First, we're going to talk about why most training programs fail. Then we'll get into a much smarter strategy called segmentation. After that, we'll meet the 4 key groups you need to train, and finally, we'll look at some even more specialized risks. Let's get into it.
So you know the drill. A lot of companies roll out these massive company-wide AI training modules. Everybody gets the same video, the same quiz, and, well, according to this report, that whole approach pretty much falls flat on its face. And this really gets to the core of it, doesn't it? So much of corporate training feels like it's just designed to check a box for the auditors. But is it actually making the company safer? Is it building what you might call a real human firewall? Yeah. More often than not, the answer is no. I love this slide because it just lays it all out. On the left, you have that generic awareness training. It's like trying to water a garden with a fire hose. It's messy, it wastes time, and it misses the most important spots. But on the right, you have targeted readiness. This is about giving the right people the exact information they need to defend against the threats they'll actually face. It's a total game changer. Okay, so if the one-size-fits-all approach is broken, what's the fix? Well, the report argues for something way more strategic, and it's called audience segmentation. The idea here is actually pretty intuitive. I mean, you wouldn't give a master chef and a jet engine mechanic the same set of tools, right? It's the same logic. Audience segmentation recognizes that a software developer faces a completely different set of AI risks than someone working in HR or an executive making strategic decisions. And this is the mantra. This is the whole point. The goal is to get the right knowledge to the right people at exactly the right time. It's all about shifting from that generic shotgun blast approach to something more like a surgical strike, targeting the actual risks where they live.
Okay, so this is where the rubber meets the road. Let's make this real. The report breaks down the organization into 4 main groups that absolutely need their own tailored training.
First up, you've got everyone. This is the baseline, the foundation for the entire company. We're talking about how to spot those scarily realistic AI-powered phishing emails, the basics of data privacy, what the company rules are, and just general awareness. This is Security 101. Now look at this. For your technical folks, the engineers, the data scientists, it's a whole different world. They're not worried about basic phishing. They need to know how to defend against complex stuff like adversarial attacks or prompt injection, which can literally hijack an AI model. Sending them the basic training is a complete waste of their time. Then you have your guardians, the security and compliance teams. These are the defenders. They're not building the AI, and they're not just using it. They're on the front lines. So they need to know how to spot AI-specific threats, navigate the crazy maze of new regulations, and have a plan for when something inevitably goes wrong. And finally, we have the view from the top, your executives and decision makers. They don't need to get into the weeds of the code, but they absolutely have to understand the big picture: AI governance, legal liability, and how to talk about these risks at a strategic level. They need to be asking the right questions. But it doesn't even stop there. The report makes it clear that a really great program goes even deeper, because once you start looking, you realize that other departments have their own unique and pretty critical AI risks. And this is where it gets really practical. I mean, think about it. Your legal team needs to know how to vet an AI vendor. HR has to worry about bias creeping into hiring algorithms. Marketing, they've got to be prepared for deepfakes. And finance needs to spot AI-powered fraud. See, every single group has its own unique battle to fight. I really like this quote from the report because it just nails the whole mindset shift. This isn't about just doing the bare minimum to avoid a fine anymore. This is about building a real, actual capability that makes your organization stronger. So, if you take away one thing from all this, let it be this. A targeted, segmented approach to training stops being a chore people have to do and starts being a core part of your defense. You're empowering your people to be your strongest and smartest line of defense against these new kinds of threats. So we'll leave you with this question to think about. When you look at your own company through these different lenses, whether you're in marketing or finance or engineering, what's the one specific AI risk that jumps out at you? The one that maybe, just maybe, you're not quite prepared for?